are helping a little bit with the heat. We have both our summer things happening right now, heat advisory plus some spotty rain starting to pop up. We are looking for a pretty similar forecast all the way into the weekend, very typical summer pattern. No tropical threats are here, although there are a couple of spots way out in the Atlantic and Caribbean that we're watching, but not again for any threats for our particular area. We have some clouds certainly forming. It's 92 in New Orleans. Other spots mostly upper 80s to lower 90s, and our feels like temperature well into the triple digits, although not quite as high as some spots saw in the past couple of days, especially yesterday, particularly hot. Our live radar is showing some cooling showers for especially coastal spots right around Port Sulphur, not far from Jean Lafitte, and Grand Isle got a shower, and very close to Grand Isle, still a shower happening in St. Tammany Parish, getting into Mandeville, and also a bit just north of I-12 in Tangipahoa Parish. We do have a few of these spotty, and they're pretty small little showers starting to pop up, and you might get a few lightning strikes with these, some brief heavy rain. And look at this, there's a pretty big area into Mississippi and even Alabama with that kind of spotty rain. Our high resolution model showing for later on today, it's not picking up so much on these very small showers, but it does have the chance for rain through the evening. We'll keep it near 40% or so. Not as much action tonight. Let's move into tomorrow, though. It looks similar tomorrow, but I think we will have more scattered rain around than what we have today even. This is 7 a.m. and then this is noon. Look at the afternoon, though. Our model is showing a pretty good flare-up of some showers, maybe some thunderstorms by 3 p.m. 6 p.m., still some rain out there perhaps in the evening, and by 9 p.m., things much quieter. Once again for today, chance of that rain continues, feeling like up to 108. That's what the heat advisory has been issued for. Air temperatures topping out around 93, just 2 degrees maybe above average, which is 91 right now, but plenty hot for most of us. And later tonight, we're back in the 70s. Our weekend forecast looking ahead really quickly. Very similar, lower 90s to maybe middle 90s, and our rain chance there near 30 and 40%. We do have a lot of things happening this weekend ahead of 4th of July next week, including 2 fireworks events happening on the North Shore, Covington and Slidell. The Slidell one is $15 on Saturday, but the Covington one at Bogafilaya Park is free. Okay, getting into the tropics, we do have these 2 waves that we're watching. Neither looks like a threat to our area. One is way out, so we'll be watching that one for a long time. And then we have this one that started being highlighted yesterday in the Caribbean, expected to take that familiar route. We've seen a couple of systems take now into Yucatan and probably into the Bay of Campeche and northern Mexico. So looking at our GFS forecast, first of all, this one has a low chance of actually developing. Not really seeing that happen so much, but it has a chance. There will be probably 2 waves coming, one highlighted right now and probably another one as soon as it comes off the coast of Africa. But notice they're staying way to the south likely. We also have a lot of dry air, though. That Saharan dust is still out there. So we will see whether these struggle a lot to organize, especially the one farther out, if it's able to take on some more tropical characteristics and try to organize a bit, or whether it will be fighting this and hindered by that. It probably will be, at least somewhat. Keep in mind, we still have this blocking high over our area, and this will be the case this weekend and into next week. So both of those waves expected to stay far from us, not able to get far enough north to affect our area. So no threats here, but we are just talking about the tropics. We'll keep you updated, of course. 7-day forecast just shows that very familiar summer pattern stretching on into next week, and it looks similar on toward the 4th of July at the middle of next week, too.